Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove profile picture on WIX. So first you need to go to your WIX dashboard or to all of the list of your website right here, but either way, you want to click right here on your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then you want to click on Account Settings. On Account Settings, add account info. On Image, you want to click right here on this camera icon to add or customize your profile picture. And then you can just choose any image that you like. And then wait for a bit, and there you go. Your profile picture is now updated. If I do tap refresh on my browser and wait for a bit, and as you can see right now, at the top left of my screen, the picture is changing and also at the top right of my screen. And then to remove the profile picture, just click right here on Remove Image to remove the profile picture. And that's how to add or remove a profile picture on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.